Behed ki Param Shanti. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Deshrat by Patel. Bapuji is explaining why do we get bad dreams and how to get rid of it. Anand Bhaiya is asking the question. Param Shanti Bapuji. Welcome Bapuji. So many people are asking us that we are getting scary dreams, that is nightmares. How to get rid of nightmares and what to do. Bapuji is explaining. Look, first of all you have to know why do dreams occur. How nightmares occur. Whatever the recordings are there in your subconscious mind due to your past births or in this present birth, whatever you are thinking comes as dreams. When your subconscious mind opens up, that means when you are in a deep sleep, your subconscious mind unlocks and the recordings in your mind emerges. May they are the recordings of this birth or past births. Like in hypnotism, they memorize past life things. Hypnotism means it's a deep sleep. When they took them to deep sleep, subconscious mind opens up. The things which are recorded in subconscious mind are the things we are thinking continuously. They comes as our dreams. The other important thing is one can send good or bad dreams to you, like negative energy or negative thoughts, or tantric practitioners may send you, or ghost may project rays on you. Same as deities comes in dreams and says to build a temple for them. Anand Bhaiya is asking, Bapuji, is there any possibility that if a person want to build a temple and that same thought came as a dream to him? I mean, without any external force, do dream occur? Bapuji is explaining, no. Some external force will be there. For example, if tantric is doing some practice on a person and left a ghost on him, whatever he lives in his dream, the person will have that in his dream. If it is not the case, then there are so many causes for dreams, like negative thoughts comes in dreams, and sometimes it happens in real. If anyone is doing tantrism to kill someone or doing vasikaran, they show you in dreams and it happens in real. Sometimes if someone is going to die or about to meet with an accident, some souls shows us that this is about to happen to you tomorrow. In my childhood, my grandmother used to say that this is going to happen tomorrow, be careful. Jogini Mata tells her beforehand in dreams that this is going to happen, so pay attention. Some deities are there and they let you know in dreams previously to save you. But how to get rid of all these things? Only one solution is there. You have to increase your soul power. Know yourself. What are you? From where you have came? Where do you belongs to? The souls of this solar system on this earth are not even 0.001%. Remaining souls came from other galaxies or universes. Know yourself from where you came. What are you? That you are a soul and the soul is running the body. Change your mind, intellect and sacrament of your soul. For that soul power is necessary. Soul became Tamo Pradhan, means negative. At first it is positive in quality, that is Sato Pradhan. After that it turns to Rajo and Rajo to Tamo in these 4 yugas. To protect yourself from all these, experience soul conscious and gain power in your soul. Know about Almighty authority and acquire power from Him. He is in utmost supreme abode like infinite sun in incorporeal form. In Gita it was said that, know me. No one can't achieve me by chanting or meditating or yoga. One can attain me only by supreme knowledge. So enhance the knowledge. In our scripts or in our sastras, there are stories about Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar of only one solar system. Nothing more than that. There is no information about Anantakoti Brahmandunka Mahakal Pralay. Know about what is galaxy, what is Milky Way, Mahashiv, Mahakal, when do Mahakal Pralay occurs. Know about infinite knowledge. When soul got the power, then automatically all the records will get away. Then you don't get any dreams. become Karma Yogi. In Gita it was told that remember me. I will burn all your sins and take you to utmost supreme abode at last. So there is only one way to protect yourself. Along with this, spread Param Shanti vibrations. Think and chant Param Shanti. You gain Param Shanti. If there is any negative energy in your house with this Param Shanti vibration, that negative energy will run away. If anyone has been doing negative on you, that too won't reaches you. There is only one way to protect from all these things. That is soul conscious states, Param Shanti vibrations, and knowing about Almighty Authority. Follow the path of divine knowledge. Past is past. For new world, new knowledge is necessary. So adopt the path of knowledge. Anant Bhaiya is saying, thank you very much, Bapu.